with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple sponge, lemon and raisin sponge cake from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to the channel, and remember, you get a copy of my cooking book. Remember the packed roast beef is coming up also. We have a lot of tips and ideas for Christmas coming up soon. So enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye. I love the simple recipe guys that you can prepare this at home today. Today we're going to make you a nice lovely lemon and raisin sponge cake today. So basically for you to start the recipe, what you're going to be needed is 4 ounces of unsalted butter. Room temperature is one of the most important things what you're going to be needed. And also you're going to be needed 4 ounces of granulated sugar. That's what you're gonna be needed. Also 4 ounces of granulated sugar right here. Pour straight inside of it like this. Basically what you need to do now, after you're scraping your sugar, all you need to do is use your spoon and simple cream the sugar and the butter together like this. So I'm creaming the butter and the sugar. Is a very easy and simple recipe guys, and I'm telling you, anyone can do this at home. So after you cream your butter and sugar together, it's supposed to be like this, really nice and beautiful. Second thing you're going to be needed 4 ounces of self-rising flour. Make sure you got everything room temperature. So right here I'm going to be weighing out 4 ounces of self-rising flour guys, and I'm gonna simply pour it straight inside of my bowl right here. Second thing, right here I have a lemon, and I'm gonna simply grate on my lemon, but on this side which I'm gonna be using to grate the lemon, so I'm gonna grate on my lemon just to give you guys an idea of what's going on right here. So just like that, so I'm gonna grate on my lemon. Nice. So right here I just grated my lemon. Second thing is get it and put it straight inside of it like this, inside of the mixture. The next thing what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put 4 ounces of raisin inside of it, and I'm weighing it out the raisin. So I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it like this. Then second thing, I'm gonna get 2 eggs. Nice one. Then simple whistle egg. Nice one. After you whistle egg, then take it at a time and simple pour it inside of this like this. The rest of it. Nice one. Scrape off everything. As I can see, that looking lovely and nice. The next thing what we're gonna do is pop 2 teaspoons of milk, Ola milk inside of it like that, and simply use your hooded spoon and give it a spin. See, looking lovely and nice. Then after you do that, then use your whisk and give it a whisk. Nice one. Put that at the side. Then after you put that at the side, this is your baking tray which you're gonna use. And so basically what you're gonna do is get a piece of butter and simply put it inside of it like that. Then use a piece of a napkin and grease it like this. Nice one. This is a, as I can say, very small pan, just for 4 inches, 7 inches. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna scrape out our pastry which we just make inside of it like this. nice recipe. As you can see, lemon and raisin sponge. Preheat the oven first, gas mark 4 or 5 for 20-25 minutes inside of the oven. If you're using a different kind of oven at 165, it's good for 20-25 minutes also. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Out the cake and just take it from the oven looking lovely and nice, a little bit hot but simple. Look at this, perfect. As you can see guys, really soft and nice, beautiful. As you can see, look at that. Wow, this is just fantastic guys, and I'm telling you, you can do the same thing at home. See something a little bit hot, but that's fine. Anyway, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. Is a lemon and raisin sponge cake recipe. Very easy and simple. All I need to do is just add the ingredients to it guys. As you can see, very nice and decent soft sponge cake, and you can serve a little bit of ice and sugar on top, and that's it. So see you next time. Bye bye.